Hello and welcome again to another DSPB review video. In this one I'm taking a look at a video plugin called Dehancer. First of all, thank you to Dimitri from Dehancer who has sent me a test version, but of course, like always, you will get my honest opinion here. You can use Dehancer as an OpenFX plugin, for example, like I'm doing here in DaVinci Resolve. But what is Dehancer? Dehancer is basically an all-in-one solution similar to Film Convert to give your videos a cinematic film look. You can choose your camera or Rec 709 and then apply one of the great looking film profiles like Fujichrome, Kodak, Agfa and a lot more to it. Now you can stay in that plugin and adjust the black and white points, color density, tonal contrast, exposure, saturation and so on, and also add film grain and some effects to it. So basically everything to make your videos look more cinematic is in Dehancer already. On my old PC, a Core i5 with a Nvidia GTX 1060, the plugin is running great. The performance is a lot better than with Film Convert, and also the playback is still very smooth in DaVinci Resolve. All in all, I think this is a very useful plugin, and once you get used to it, you will never want to miss it. The price of Dehancer 4 is a bit much though, in my opinion, for video plugin, but also the results you get with it look great, and you can still get the plugin a bit cheaper right now on the Dehancer website, which I linked down in the video description for you.